Hello everyone, Rune Smith here. Today I've got a new ASSA 600. I've been told it has gins. So there we go. I do have a second tensioner on standby for just in case I need to manually counter rotate or float pick it. I'm going to attempt to be using this custom curve I made. I've tested it in the keyway and it fits up nicely. So let's see what we can feel. I was binding pin 1 with the tensioner there. There's a click out of 1. It's a little click out of 2. Nothing on 3, 4. And now I'm in a full set. Let's see if I can get it to... That's 2 clicks. I think that was 3 and 4. Wow. Okay. Gonna have to open that up. Get this countermilling on 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 for the gins. And there's gins. So there was 5 mastering elements, as you can see, 2 smaller wafers and 3 mastering pins. That's what made it so easy to pick. Hope you enjoyed.